is Shari Morris, and I want to talk to you today about what I would say what I learned in college. If I had to sum up what I learned in college, it would be perseverance. Just like many of you at 18, I thought I knew everything. I had my life together. I knew what I wanted to do. I had excellent grades. I was going to my dream school, and nothing could go wrong. Of course, that didn't happen. When I got to college, I went to Howard University in DC. I'm originally from Jackson, Mississippi. So this was my first time away from home. I didn't know anyone in DC, not one person at all. I had never been to a metropolitan city, and I didn't have a car. So the thing that I learned most is how to be accountable for yourself, how to be credible, and how to make your own decisions. And if I had to tell you today, and I'm going to tell you a heartfelt story, so bear with me. If I had to tell you what was my pivotal moment in college, it would be my sophomore year. I was going back to school, and I was dead broke. I don't mean broke like regular college student broke, you know, have to eat noodles and things like that. I don't mean that. I mean, I had 20 credits. That's way more than what's recommended. Way more than what's recommended. Because I had changed my major, and I didn't want to be behind. I could not afford to pay room and board. I could not afford any of my books, and I did not have any money for food. So imagine me, 19 years old, in DC, alone. There were many, many nights where I went to sleep hungry, I was worried, I was angry. The thing that I thought to do was call my mom. She could figure everything out. Well, she couldn't. I got an eviction notice saying you have 2 weeks to get $6,000 or you will have to leave school. So in those 2 weeks, I did everything I possibly could. I called every family member that I thought could help me. And the thing that hurt me the most was when I had family members tell me, well, you know you shouldn't have went to Howard anyway if you couldn't afford it. Just go back home. Just go to a cheaper school. Of course, anyone who knew me from a little bitty child knew that Howard University was my dream school. I had done everything right. I had good grades. I was a community leader. All of my teachers loved me. I had done everything that everyone said to do. And it will work out. But it didn't work out for me. Well, I'm not going to say it didn't work out for me, because obviously I graduated. But the thing that happened to me was I changed my major to legal communications because I wanted to go to law school, but I was very, very shy. I didn't like speaking in public. So I had a professor. We had an assignment one day during my 2-week eviction period. Our assignment was to give a 5-minute speech on the most difficult situation we had endured. Now at 19, doing everything right, I didn't have any difficult situations. So I chose to share with my classmates what was going on with me at the time. So I bared my soul to my entire class. And at the end of my speech, my professor stopped class and asked everybody in the room if there was anyone in the room who could offer any type of assistance to me, to please do so. One of my classmates came up to me, she gave me a hug, she said, go and talk to the president's secretary. I don't know what she could do for you, but I had a line sister who was in the same situation, and she helped her out. So of course, I left class, I didn't go to any other class that day. I went to the president's secretary, I stayed outside of her door until she came back. I waited 2 hours for her. And when I finally talked to her, she was so impressed with me. Not because of my grades, not because of my extracurricular activities, but she said she was impressed because she heard so many students come to her and say, you owe me this. I'm doing this, I'm doing that. Why can't you give me money? I never said any of that. I was memorable. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Because that's how I was raised. I let her know what my situation was, and I asked her if there was anything that she could do. I would be very much appreciative. I didn't hear from her No more that day. 2 weeks later, the day I was supposed to move out of the dorm, I got a call from financial aid and said, your money has cleared, you don't have to move out. She gave me a $6,000 scholarship. Every year after that, she and I both checked on each other. I sent her flowers, I wrote her notes, and when I got ready to graduate, I sent her the biggest bouquet ever. And I let her know that if it was not for her taking a chance on me and believing in me, I would not have graduated. So I want to tell you all that you can do everything right. You can do everything right, but that does not always mean that it's going to turn out right. But you have to stay persistent. You have to learn that your dreams are your dreams. No one else can make your dreams happen but you. Of course you're going to have cheerleaders along the way, but they're there to cheer you on. So you have to make sure that you do what it is that you need to do. Make sure that you are accountable. Make sure that you stay credible. And make sure that whenever someone asks you to do something, you are capable of getting it done. And that's what I want to leave.